I created a basic web page using HTML and CSS. So I created a supermarket which containing a fresh organic fruits. So the interface is like this, and the fruits containing like apples and banana, oranges, we get them into these like lists, and we can know the price of each item and the quantity of each item, and we can set that and we can get the required quantity for us, and we can add them to the cart. At last we can buy them. So at last we can buy them. Coming to the source code, I get the source code from this, yeah, source code from starting from doctype HTML. This declaration specifies that the documentation is an HTML5 documentation type. HTML lang in this is the opening tag for the HTML document. The lang attribute specifies the language of the content. Head. This section of HTML document contains meta information and links to external resources that are not directly displayed on the web page. And we can use a lot of things in the head, and I used title for the fruits market. You can see here fruits market. And style, in the style we can use the internal CSS, where internal CSS of different elements content class. With the we can represent a class by using period and our own name of like a dot text. And we used from coming to the body of the HTML body. The body section of the HTML document contains the visible content of the web page. So we can see the visible things like this by using the body tag. So to get the list like this and the list style or like this, I used another list, and another list where we can give the individual list like this. And the in the list I gave an anchor tag, which sets the href is equal to hash c1, and these hash c1 is set an address of image, and that set to c1. So when I click on the bananas, it then jump to this. So by using bookmarks we can use these. And to select the quantity required like this, I used select option, which is nested in a label, and the options are like this where we can choose the quantity required for us. So this is the code, and we can use images, and I get these images like this. So to get the images like this, I used a border radius 50% and a border radius color, and the different things like this, like these cherries. And we can add them to the cart like this by using inputs. We can see here the input tags like this. And at the tag I used input, which is nested in a p, and a type is equal to submit, and a value is equal to buy. So I used a lot of things for these. So the background text shadow, I used the text shadow, and the shadow for these I used the image shadow. Different types of font sizes with the RGB values, hexa values, HLS. We can use different types of saturations and the lightness, and for the visible to get the output in a mannered way. So this is all. Thank you.